डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम देखेंगे डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन में पार्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन प्रॉब्लम। पार्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन क्या होता है? ए सॉल्यूशन ऑब्टेन बाय गिविंग particular value of arbitrary constant। यानी एक सॉल्यूशन a solution which is obtained by given particular value of arbitrary constant is known as particular solution। For example, question 1, find the particular solution of differential equation sort as te dy by dx equal to minus 4x y square, and given that y equal to 1 when x equal to 0. It is a particular value. We putting particular value, we have particular value of the arbitrary constant, and the solution obtained is known as particular solution. So now we start the solution. We have dy by dx equal to minus 4x y square. Separate the variables and also separate the operator dx and dy. So we have dy by dx equal to minus 4x y square. So separate dx as the right side and y square as left side. So we obtain dy by y square equal to minus 4x dx, and integrating both sides we have y to the power minus 2. If we change dy by y square, then we have y minus 2 dy equal to minus 4 integration x dx. We use the formula is integration x to power n dx equal to x to power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. So we use this formula, and both sides we have obtained. So we use the formula. So integration y to power minus 2 dy is y to the power minus 2 plus 1 by minus 2 plus 1 equal to minus 4 x to power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 plus c. So minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1, it is minus 1 equal to minus 4 x square by 2 plus c. If we shift left downward, so we have minus 1 by y equal to minus 2 x square plus c. And given that the particular value y is given that y equal to 1 when x equal to 0, so we put it in equation 1. We have minus 1 by y, minus 1 by y says y is 1, so minus 1 by y equal to minus 2 into 0 square plus c. So we have c equal to minus 1, and therefore from 1 we put in value of c is minus 1 by y equal to minus 2 x square minus 1. Cancel all side negative, so we have 2x square plus y 1 equal to 1 by y, and the final answer is y equal to 1 by 2x square plus 1, which is the required particular solution of the given differential equation. Now we have next problem. Find the particular solution of the differential equations log of dy by dx equal to 3x plus 4y. Given that y equal to 0 when x equal to 0. So now we have divide we have log of dy by dx equal to 3x plus 4y. So we need dy by dx. So log remove. For log remove, we are taking exponential both sides. So e to power log of dy by dx equal to e to power 3x plus 4y. We use some results. E to power log a equal to a and e to power a plus b equal to e to power a into e to power b. So e to power log of dy by dx equal to dy by dx equal to e to power 3x plus 4y, which is e to power 3x into e to power 4y, and we separate dx as right side and e to power 4y as left side. And hence dy by e to power minus 4y dy equal to e to power 3x dx. Integrating both sides, we get e to power minus 4y dy equal to integration e to power 3x dx. And integration of e to power minus 4y is integration e to power minus 4y by minus 4. Since integration of e to power ax dx is ax by a plus c. So integration e to power minus 4y equal to e to power minus 4y by minus 4. Similarly, e to power 3x integration is e to power 3x by 3 plus c. Now, after simplification, e to power 3x by 3 plus e to power minus 4y by 4 equal to minus c, taking equation 1. Since given that y equal to 0 when x equal to 0. So from 1 compute the values x and y. We have 1 by 3 plus 1 by 4 equal to minus c. Since e to power 0 is 1. So after simplification, minus c equal to 7 by 12. So from 1 we putting the value of minus c, and hence we get e to power 3x by 3 plus e to power minus 4y by 4 equal to 7 by 12, which is the required particular solution of the given differential equation.